Nag-a-apply ka na for a housing loan, tapos biglang declined? Ang sakit nun. Lalo na kung excited ka na sa bahay. Pero don't worry, in this video, malalaman mo ang 10 common reasons bakit nade-decline ang housing loan. Para maiwasan mo na. Reason 1. Kulang sa income. Kung hindi pasok ang sahod mo sa required income, automatic decline. Reason 2. May existing loans. Car loan, personal loan, or credit card debt, that lowers your chance. Reason 3. No stable job. Usually, dapat at least 2 years ka na sa current work, lalo na sa abroad. Reason 4. Probationary pa. If you're still under probation, hindi pa yan considered stable sa mata ng bank or pag-ibig. Reason 5. Freelance without documents. Walang ITR, COR, o proof of income. Red flag yan sa mga lenders. Reason 6. Bad credit history. Kung may unpaid loans or missed payment before, that affects your credit score. Reason 7. Overage borrower. May age limit ang housing loan. Paglampas ka na, limited na ang terms. Reason 8. Incomplete documents. Madalas itong reason. Kulang ng COE, payslip, or valid ID. Reason 9. Employer not recognized. May cases na hindi na-approve ang employer, lalo na sa abroad. Reason 10. Co-borrower issues. Kung may co-borrower ka na may sabit sa credit or kulang din sa income, it can lead to rejection. If you're planning to apply for a housing loan, mas madali ang proseso kapag ang project ay accredited at trusted ng mga financing institutions. Gaya ng sa BIA Parkway, may ready support system para sa mga bank or pag-ibig housing loan requirements. Kaya mas less hassle at mas mabilis ang approval chances. So ayan, 10 reasons bakit nade-decline ang housing loan. Ang good news, pwede mo itong iwasan basta alam mo kung saan ka dapat mag-ready. Comment down below kung gusto mo magpa-assess ng requirements or malaman kung pasok ka na sa dream home mo. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell para sa more real estate tips.